Hello everyone. We continue with looking at the solutions to the CSEC 2021 paper. We have looked at question 1A, the fraction questions. And now we look at question 1, part B. Let's see how far we get. The question asks, when Megan started working, she was paid $85 each week. After a 6-month probationary period, her pay was increased by 20%. How much was she paid each week after the increase? This question really tests your knowledge about how would you calculate a value after a percentage increase of a given value. I will show you two methods of doing this question. So let's first look at method 1. In the first method, remember that the pay was increased by 20%. So the first thing we do is to find that increase by finding 20% of 85. And so therefore, we're going to find 20%. 20% is just 20 over 100. 20% of, which means multiply by, $85. How do we do that? Well, 20% we can cancel out to get 1/5 because 20 can go into 105 times. So really, we are looking at 1/5 times 85. So we divide 85 by 5. And we're going to get the answer as $17. So that is the increase. And so therefore you have to find how much was she paid after the increase. So it means you have to add that 17 to the original amount she was working for. So really the answer is 85 plus 17. And this will give you $102. Which is the answer. So that was method 1. Let's go to method 2. For method 2, basically, we use $85, the original amount, as a whole, which means 100%. And so therefore, if Megan gets a 20% increase, really the increase is now, the amount she gets is now 120% of the original amount. So all we do, we find 120% of 85, and that should give us the answer in one step. When you work this out on your calculators or otherwise, you're going to get the same answer you got in method 1, which is $102. If you are using your calculators, you can make it simple. 120 divided by 100, you simply bring the points back 2 places on the 120 to get 1.2, and you multiply 1.2 times 85 to get $102, which is the answer. Thank you. In the next video, we will finish number 1 and most likely move on to number 2. If you like this video, please press the subscribe button. Thank you again. See you soon.